Mickey and Minnie have come to play in the sandpit.
Hello, I'm Mickey.
And I'm Minnie.
Minnie, look how much sand there is. Let's go and play.
Sure. Let's jump in. Come on. The sand is so soft.
You can say that again.
Look, I made a shape in the sand.
Oh, I think I did too.
These are my ears. This is my head. These are my legs. And these are my arms.
Now look at my print. Those are the ears, and here's the head.
That's amazing, Mickey. Wow! Look, there are lots of molds here.
Oh, there's even a rake.
Mickey, let's build something.
Okay, I'll use this green flower mold.
That's great, Mickey. I'm going to make the yellow flower.
Okay, Minnie, we should fill them with sand then.
Ah, you're right, Mickey.
The sand is so soft and crumbly.
We need to put a lot of sand in.
Now we filled them with sand, we should stamp on them.
Okay then. Wowee! Jumping in the sand is so fun!
Are you ready to turn the molds over?
Okay, wowee!
Just like that.
Mickey, first we need to tap on the molds with the rake.
You're right.
Let's tap it with the rake. And this one. 1, 2, 3. Wow, Mickey, they look so nice. Let's make something else.
Yes, I want to. Let's see what other colored molds we have.
The pink one is a ladybird. The yellow one is a turtle. The purple one is a butterfly. The blue one is a fish. And the other pink one is a starfish. Mickey, they're all so beautiful. I'm going to make the ladybird.
Then I'll make a butterfly.
Look, Mickey, we have a green spade. Let's use it to gather the sand. Ha ha ha! And a 1, and a 2, and a 3.
I want some in my mold too.
Of course! Just a little more. Well then, Mickey, is it time to jump on them?
Yes, Minnie, I love this part.
Wowee! Shall we turn them over now?
Yes, they're ready.
Go! Now let's tap on the molds.
Of course.
Minnie, come on!
Let's take the molds off and see what's underneath.
Let's go! 1, 2, 3. Wow, so beautiful!
Minnie, look at that big bucket. Let's make a giant sandcastle.
Okay then!
Let's go.
Come on, fill it up faster!
We'll need the rake and the spade. I think it's done.
Come on, let's jump on it. We need to pack the sand in.
Wowee!
Ha ha ha! This is so fun!
Wowee!
What a big bucket! Let's turn it over together. 1, 2, 3. Now we need to tap on the bottom of the bucket.
Of course, Minnie.
Ready? Ready. Let's turn it over. Wow, so cool!
Minnie, look at how many beautiful sandcastles we've made together.
We did a great job. Well then, shall we come back again tomorrow?
Of course, but it's time to go home now.
Let's go!
Bye-bye.
See you!